Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to read the data between a range of cells in Excel sheet using a variable in SSIS. So first I will show Excel sheet. So this is my Excel sheet. Country.xlsx is my sheet name. So if you see, my sheet name is country underscore data. It contains two columns, ID and country. So among these 1000 rows, I want to read specifically between A40 to B50. I want to read the data from the sheet of these 10 rows. So how I can do, I will show in this demo. A39 is nothing but a cell address of A40. Okay. So this is my country underscore data. Before that, we need to create one variable and specifically mention the range of your cell address. Read data and string, and here I already shown name of the sheet is country underscore data. So here I'm taking dollar symbol A40 semicolon B50. This is my range, and then I want to read the data between these two cell addresses in the sheet. So I'm closing it. Now go to data flow task, drag it, double click. So since my data in Excel sheet, I am using the Excel source, double click. So browse the file, browse your sheet. This is my country sheet. I am taking this country sheet, and in data access mode, I use it to take the table name or view name variable. So here you need to select the variable which you have already created. Read data, columns. So this is my cell address, country ID and country name. A39 is nothing but A40 is the cell address. So now I don't want to load the data into tables, just I want to see the data by using multicast transformation. So connecting with the Excel source, enabling the data viewer. Okay. Now if you run the package, you will see those 10 country IDs, country names between A40 to B50. Yes, this is the range. This is 39, that is the A40 address, cell address is A40, and A49 means cell address is A50. So this is how you need to read the data using the variable. Just you need to take this table name or view name variable from data access mode at the time of the configuring the Excel source editor, and select your user variable name. So there you already mentioned the range of the cells in the Excel sheet. That's all. You can read the data between those Excel cells range. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.